Hi there, Librans. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Astrogirl, and here are your stars for December 9 through December 15. And you get a real power boost for the next 6 months, Librans, with Mars, the planet of energy, the planet of passion, the planet of lust, moving into your sign this weekend. Mars in Libra is in a bit of a conundrum because you're the ultimate fence-sitting, wishy-washy, indecisive sign. I know you don't want to hear that, but a lot of you are probably like, it's kind of true. You like to please everybody. You don't like to let anybody down. So you often find you say yes to maybe 3 people to do something on exactly the same day, exactly the same time. And then you have to run around and maybe make excuses. It's almost like the Katherine Heigl movie in 27 Dresses, where she was back and forth between weddings and no one knew that she'd said she'd be bridesmaid for all those weddings. It's kind of like that energy, and you will be doing more of that this over the next couple of months. Mars goes retrograde in March. More about that, obviously, as we hit 2014. But just know that Mars in your sign has a difficult time really making decisions and standing up for itself. So that said, try not to be as wishy-washy as you can be, a fence-sitter. Try to be a bit more decisive and say, this is what I want and this is what I'm going to get. Because if you use the energy of Mars correctly, the way he likes to be used, you can really go places, Librans. So don't think for a minute that you can't turn around the Mars effect and really become involved and very sure and confident of where you're headed in life and what's happening for you in 2014. Apart from that, the Sun is in Sagittarius, which is really good news for you, and there is a grand trine on Monday in Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio, water signs, which doesn't affect you as much because being an air sign, but you may find that Monday is a rather emotional or sensitive day. It could be you, or it could be your roommate, your flatmate, or people you work with who are suddenly all upset about something and showing it in an emotional way. So you just deal with that by being the sweet, charming, harmonious Libran that you are. Thanks for calling, checking in, and I'll speak to you again next week.